and today on our episode of 5 Principles Vegan Cuisine Cooking Tutorial, we got a mean jerk chicken. And what we are going to use today is our mean jerk seasoning by Jameson. So Jameson's mean jerk seasoning, you can find it right here in Toronto. Google him, look him up, you should find him. Today we are using a plant-based meat, so soya-based protein, in place of chicken. So they've made them into some cute little drumsticks. What we're going to add, what we have already marinated it in, is our jerk seasoning from the night before and a little bit of sesame oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Get it into the oven that's preheated at 350 degrees. Let that cook for about 25 minutes and it should be ready and good to go. And there we have our mean jerk chicken. Our Jameson's mean jerk chicken, that is. What we are going to plate our jerk chicken with is some rice and peas. And we also have a beautiful mango salad. And there you have it, your Jameson's mean jerk chicken, the side of mango salad.